1968 Chevrolet Malibu El Camino. Price, $8,500, OBO. Location, San Jose, California. Up for sale is a classic 1968 Chevrolet Malibu El Camino, a unique blend of muscle car style and pickup utility. Previously owned by just one owner, this El Camino has been in the current owner's care for about 4 years and remains mostly stock, preserving its vintage charm. Although the car is not currently running, recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, new headers, and new tires, providing a solid foundation for restoration or repair. With its clean lines, long bed, and iconic Malibu design, this El Camino is perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a fun project with potential. Offered as is, it's a rare opportunity to own a classic piece of American automotive history at an attractive price. 1927 Ford T-Bucket Andy Brizio. Price, $27,500. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, French Camp, California. A rare and meticulously crafted 1927 Ford T-Bucket, built by the legendary Andy Brizio in the early 1970s. This T-Bucket features a rare body crafted by Steve Archer, making it a highly collectible piece of hot rod history. With only 300 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent condition, practically like new. Finished in striking blue with a white interior, this T-Bucket combines vintage charm with timeless hot rod styling. The automatic transmission ensures easy driving, while the exposed engine and classic design showcase the artistry of early custom car builders. Perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a standout show car, this Andy Brizio T-Bucket offers both historical significance and head-turning appeal, making it a rare opportunity to own a true piece of American automotive craftsmanship. 1993 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Price, $4,600, OBO. Mileage, 132,000 miles. Location, Pismo Beach, California. A classic 1993 Mazda MX-5 Miata, finished in a beautiful green and offering the pure lightweight roadster experience that made the Miata legendary. Equipped with a manual transmission, this car delivers an engaging driver-focused feel with precise handling and smooth shifting that makes every drive enjoyable. With 132,000 miles, it has been well cared for and remains in solid condition, backed by a clean title and no significant damage or mechanical issues. Known for its reliability, balance, and fun factor, this Miata is perfect for weekend coastal drives, daily enjoyment, or as an affordable enthusiast car. If you're looking for a timeless sports car with character, simplicity, and undeniable charm, this 1993 Miata is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute. Price, $35,000, previously $39,000. Mileage, 55,000 miles. Location, San Rafael, California.
Okay, here is cold startup. 69 Chevelle. It's a built 350 with headers, recent tune-up. I've made it into an SS396 Tribute. Temp is cool. One little pump.
A beautifully built 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute, finished in iconic Monaco orange with black SS striping, capturing the aggressive stance and timeless muscle car presence that defines the Chevelle legacy. This rust-free California car is powered by a strong 350 V8 paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance and classic V8 sound. The engine features a mild performance cam, headers, a Holley mid-rise Dominator intake and carburetor, and a high-performance starter, creating crisp throttle response, smooth idle, and strong pull through the gears. A recent professional tune ensures easy starts and excellent drivability. Handling and braking are confidently managed with front disc brakes and a heavy-duty sway bar, while the dual downturn exhaust delivers an aggressive, unmistakable muscle car rumble. The body is straight and clean, with excellent paint quality and a well-finished engine bay, trunk and undercarriage, free of rust throughout. Inside, the black interior is clean and well-kept, featuring Stewart Warner gauges, a solid dash, and functioning wipers. The car is equipped with factory AC, currently not hooked up, and rides on newer tires with good tread. 1936 Dodge Business Coupe. Price, $21,500. Mileage, 12,375 miles. Location, Talbot, Tennessee. A beautifully built 1936 Dodge Business Coupe that blends classic pre-war styling with tasteful modern performance upgrades. Powered by a strong V8 setup featuring an Edelbrock carburetor, mild performance cam, electric fuel pump, and smooth shifting 700R4 automatic transmission, this coupe delivers reliable power with comfortable highway cruising. The upgraded coil-over front suspension provides improved handling and ride quality while maintaining its vintage character. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro X11 Convertible. Price, $42,000. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Lakeland, Florida. A stunning 1969 Chevrolet Camaro X11 convertible, combining iconic muscle car styling with open-top cruising excitement. Finished in a bold orange exterior with a sharp black interior, this Camaro delivers instant curb appeal and classic late 60s attitude. Under the hood sits a strong 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, offering smooth power delivery and an unmistakable muscle car sound. Power steering and power front disc brakes provide confident handling and stopping, making it enjoyable to drive as well as admire. With just 12,345 miles, this Camaro has been carefully maintained and presents as a true turnkey classic, ready to cruise, show, and enjoy immediately. The X11 trim adds to its desirability, reflecting factory performance heritage and collector appeal. Whether you're cruising the boulevard, heading to a car show, or adding a centerpiece to your collection, this 1969 Camaro convertible delivers timeless style, strong performance, and the unmistakable thrill of classic American muscle. 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Extended Cab Long Bed. Price: $9,750. Mileage: 165,000 miles. Location: San Jose, California. A solid and dependable 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Extended Cab Long Bed, built to handle work, daily driving, and weekend hauling with ease. Powered by a reliable 4.8 L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck delivers strong performance and proven durability. With 165,000 miles, it has been well maintained and comes with a clean title, showing no significant damage or mechanical issues. The green exterior is nicely complemented by a beige interior, giving it a clean and classic look, while the 22-inch rims add a bold, modern touch. Known for its comfortable ride, spacious extended cab, and practical long bed, this Silverado offers versatility and style in one package. Whether you need a dependable work truck or a sharp-looking daily driver, this Chevy 1500 is ready to get the job done. 2006 Volkswagen Beetle TDI 5-speed manual. Price: $9,900. Location: Medford, Oregon.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
For sale is a well-maintained 2006 VW Beetle TDI diesel, known for its excellent fuel economy, long-lasting engine, and fun-to-drive manual transmission. This Beetle is in good overall condition and has clearly been cared for throughout its life. The car has 91,000 original miles, which is low for a diesel vehicle of this year. It is powered by Volkswagen's reliable TDI diesel engine, delivering an impressive approximately 38 miles per gallon, making it an ideal daily driver or commuter car. Equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, this Beetle offers a more engaging driving experience. The interior includes heated seats, adding comfort during colder weather. The vehicle has been garage-kept, helping preserve both the exterior and interior condition. 1968 Chevrolet Malibu El Camino. Price: $8,500, OBO. Location: San Jose, California.
Got a 1934 Chevy sedan here. I can record a minute for Facebook purposes. It's got a 383 stroker with a blower, 671 blower, 650 Holly carburetor, automatic transmission, AC, beautiful interior, nice gauges, Bluetooth stereo. Just an excellent build, all-steel car. That includes the fenders, running boards. Right up on the Facebook ad pretty much tells you everything about the vehicle. Hard pressed to find one inside. 3-inch top. That's not all I can tell you right now. Link this video.
A classic 1968 Chevrolet Malibu El Camino, blending the style of a muscle car with the utility of a pickup. Previously owned by just one owner before the current 4-year ownership, this El Camino features mostly stock components, preserving its authentic vintage character. Recent updates include new spark plugs, new headers, and new tires, ensuring key systems are fresh and ready for attention. While it is not currently running, it presents an excellent restoration or project opportunity for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic American icon. With its timeless lines, long hood, and sleek profile, this 1968 Malibu El Camino remains a standout for collectors and DIY restorers seeking a vehicle with history and potential. 1981 Jeep CJ7 Renegade 4x4, 5-speed, super clean, no rust. Price: $15,000. Location: Eugene, Oregon. Up for sale is a 1981 Jeep CJ7 Renegade 4x4 in outstanding condition. This Jeep has been well cared for and is owned by only the second owner, a rare find for a classic CJ. With 110,000 original miles, it runs strong and drives exactly as it should. Finished in a brand new Hemi orange paint job, this CJ7 truly stands out. The body is super clean with no rust, making it an excellent example for collectors or anyone looking for a solid classic Jeep. It also features a brand new hard top, perfect for year-round driving. Power comes from a reliable 4.0L inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering dependable performance both on-road and off-road. The Jeep sits on BF Goodrich mud-terrain tires mounted on Eagle alloy wheels, giving it an aggressive stance and excellent traction. This CJ7 Renegade is clean inside and out, well-sorted mechanically, and ready to be enjoyed immediately. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser, an off-road toy, or a classic Jeep that's becoming harder to find in this condition, this one checks all the boxes. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS Tribute. Price: $29,500. Mileage: 39,000 miles. Location: Deer Park, New York. A striking 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS Tribute finished in sleek Cortez silver with a sharp black interior, combining classic muscle car styling with modern upgrades for a smooth and reliable drive. Under the hood, it features a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering plenty of power and that iconic Camaro rumble. Equipped with front disc brakes for improved stopping performance, this Camaro offers both style and functionality. With 39,000 miles and a clean title, it is in very good condition with no significant damage or mechanical issues. A perfect choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic American muscle car that turns heads at every stop. This Camaro RS/SS Tribute blends timeless design, solid performance, and show-ready appeal. 1947 Dodge Monaco Deluxe 2-door sedan. Price: $7,800. Mileage: 59,000 miles. Location: Tamarack, Florida. A classic 1947 Dodge Monaco Deluxe, finished in a beautiful blue exterior with a tan interior, offering timeless 1940s styling and solid vintage performance. Powered by a 231 CI flathead 6-cylinder engine with a fluid drive 3-speed manual transmission, this car delivers smooth, reliable driving while retaining its original charm. With 59,000 miles and a clean title, it has no significant damage and remains in excellent condition for its age. The 2-door design and classic Dodge lines make it a standout for collectors or enthusiasts looking for an authentic post-war American sedan. Perfect for car shows, weekend cruises, or restoration projects, this Dodge Monaco Deluxe combines history, style, and dependable engineering into one classic package.